Hey guys, welcome back to our keyboard related video. To be specific, a keyboard accessory you could add to your collection. In this short vid, we'll be looking at CableMod's custom coil cable. To disclose, these were sent by CableMod for review, but this will not affect my opinions on it. Right off the bat, the packaging and presentation is nice. You get a free bag for the cable that surprisingly can fit 65% keyboards just fine. The bag has the CableMod logo on the front surrounded with the zippers that makes the bag safe and secure. Opening it up reveals the custom cable you have specifically designed and color matched to your setup. It's secured very nicely along with the card, a CableMod sticker, and a rubber cable management strap. Side note, I had fun customizing this cable as there were tons of colors and styles to choose from. I chose the blue and white color scheme for my build as I will be using this with my ACR81. This configuration in particular is the Pro Coil cable, which has the coil as well as the Aviator connectors. I chose the standard lengths for all the parts of the cable, made the ports white, the TechPlex light and dark blue, and the cable inside coated in white. In my opinion, it looks so nice partnered up with my Ako ACR81, and the colors presented in the website match my IRL cable. I only have Ako's cable here to differentiate, but I think it's evident from looking at it alone that this has a better and straighter coil, a decent TechPlex, and a much beefier Aviator connector. The thing that makes this different from other stock cables or coil cables is the price. My configuration in particular costed about $76 plus FedEx taxes, totaling it up on $80. Compare this to the $20 to $30 price range of the competition, and you can finally see why they're different. But I guess, for the customization aspect of it, the fact that you can change every single thing from the length of the cable to the colors of the USB ends, I think it's justified not to mention the excellent presentation and the pre-rugged keyboard back. What are your thoughts on CableMod's cables? Comment them down below and subscribe to see me review a proper keyboard next time. But until then, I'm John J. Villanueva and I'll see you next week.